Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub and stroll right into town and be just like the other men. I'm tired of monkeying around. Oh, whoopie-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You'll say it's true, an ape like me can learn to be human too. Now don't try to give me man cup, I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dreams come true. Now give me the secret man cub, come on, clue me what to do. Give me the power of man's red flower so I can be like you. Oh, whoopie-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You'll see it's true, someone like me can learn to be like someone like you. Can learn to be like someone like you. Can learn to be like someone like you. A bit off at the end.